401k worth you saving your money? Or is it just a trap for you to stay broke and stay working at your job? Here's the reasons why you should not invest in the 401k. And of course, I do not want that, guys. So I started my 401k when my coworker told me to. She said that I can write it off on my taxes and my job will match whatever I make. And of course I was sold, of course. So it took about around $75 out of my check, and every quarter it will increase. So it's been about 2 years now, so keep that in the back of your mind. So I do follow a lot of millionaires and billionaires just for guidance and motivation, and I've noticed I never heard anyone talk about the 401k or investing into it. Like I follow Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, they never said anything about investing in the 401k. They always say invest your money into stocks, dividends. So I did my own research, so let's just start. First, let's talk about what is a 401k. Basically, it is a retirement plan, and you can touch the money once you hit 65 years old. And I am not a fan of the 65. I'm not a fan of that. So that leads into the first reason. So all the money that you do save, once you get 65, that's when you can take the money out. But if you take it out any time sooner than that, you do get penalized. And it's like a hefty amount they would take out just for you touching your own money that you saved. So there are inflations. So once you hit that 65, the money that you did save is not going to be the same value as it was when you first started, if that makes sense. So with all of the inflations, you won't have a comfortable life. You're not going to be able to do what you want with your money. And that's what I want. That's my main goal. I want to be able to do what I want to travel. I want to have a house. I want to do all that, so that's why I'm like, ugh. So you still will be struggling, basically. You will still be struggling once you hit the retirement age. You'll still be struggling. And of course, I do not want that, guys. The reason is I feel that the 401k will keep you trapped at your job. Let me explain it. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, that cycle can continue. Even with the savings plan or the retirement plan, it's still going to continue. So there's going to be no way for you to get out that hole of getting rich if that's not, well, it might not be your goal. But if you want to get rich and live and not live check by paycheck, it's going to be difficult to do. And my final reason is fees. I don't know if you know that, but if you have a 401k, you do get charged fees just for having it. And it's about 1 to 2%. I know it's low, but me personally, I want all my money. So that is it on my reasons on why you should not have a 401k. If you have any questions, concerns, or anything, feel free to comment it. I respond to everyone. I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.